Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Ngayon i-unbox natin yung nabili kong speaker from Logitech, which is the Logitech Z333. This is a more powerful speaker than its predecessor because now its peak power is at 80 watts. So mas magiging malakas bass nito, saka mga satellite speakers nito. Small tour muna tayo sa outside look ng box na to. Now let's open the box. Ito yung original price niya sa Lazada, which is 2,399 pesos. So medyo may kamahalan siya noon, pero nabili ko siya for 1,477 peso because of the birthday sale price and sa mga vouchers na nakuha ko. So let's take a look what's inside. Ito, adapter ulit, adapter na naman. Itong mga papel sa to, ewan ko ano to. Ito, yung speaker na siya mismo, yung satellite speakers out of the box. Yun. So ito yung malaking laman ng box, yung subwoofer na mismo at saka yung volume controls. Ana, mag-unbox na lang, gisiyan na, dugay kaayo. Pura ba?
Daddy, chill.
Anyways, it's good to see that these speakers are covered with this plastic, so it's really protected inside the box. So ito na yung mga speakers na nakahubad. I mean, nasa labas ng box. Subwoofer controls at the back along with the input and output jacks. So ito no, install lang natin yung satellite speakers ng subwoofer na to. So it is indicated with black and blue jacks. I was a little bit surprised sa cords ng satellite speakers niya. May pagkahaba-haba siya, so pwede mo ilagay yung left and right satellite speakers above your table and you can just leave the subwoofer below. So I'm a little bit surprised sa loudness ng subwoofer na to, kaya ina-adjust ko siya ngayon. So I recommend it at 70%. So I chose to put the subwoofer below because yun ang lakas-lakas niya talaga. So wala ding space sa taas ng table. So this is sort of my final speaker setup. And now we will test kung gaano kalakas yung bass niya at kung gaano kalakas yung satellite speakers niya. So as you can see guys, hindi pa yan naka 50% yung volume. Sa side ng volume knob na to is may headphone jack siya. So pwede kayo maglagay ng earphones dyan. Once kayo maglagay ng earphones, parang nadi-disable yung sound sa subwoofer at saka yung sa satellite speakers niya. Sa baba ng volume knob na to is parang may memory foam siya. So yun yung purpose niya, para mag-stick yung volume knob na to sa table niya. So this is the final setup. Yan yung power niya. And as you can see, the wire management. I searched that the subwoofer is best when it's facing forward. So satellite speakers natin nasa taas. Yan. Yung recording pala kanina, yung microphone niya is yung sa phone ko lang, sa iPhone ko. So wala pa tayong professional microphone, so soon. And that's it. If you can subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you.